Welcome to my Vedic Maths classes. In today's class of Vedic Multiplication, we will learn how to multiply any number with series of 9 or 99 or 999 or 4 times 9. So stay tuned to my video. I will discuss examples one by one. So here are some questions. First question is 2345 times 9. Second question is 34 times 99. And third question is 24 times 999. I have taken examples you can see over here. So in the first example, multiplicand is greater in number as compared to multiplier. Here you have 4 digits, but here just 1 digit. But in this case they are both equal in numbers. Multiplicand and multipliers both are equal. But in this case, multiplier is greater in number as compared to multiplicand. So for all these conditions we will follow one single rule, and that will solve all these type of questions. Let us move to the first question. 2435 times 9. Multiplicand is greater in number than multiplier. What you need to do is just check how many 9s are there and put that many zeros on the multiplicand. So 2435 is our multiplicand, and put 1 0, and then subtract the multiplicand 2435, and you will get the answer. It is so easy to understand. The step again I am repeating. You write the multiplicand first, whatever is the number of digits doesn't matter, and after you write it, then put as many zeros, as many 9s you see in the multiplier, and then subtract the multiplicand, and after subtracting, what you get is the result of this multiplication. I hope my explanation was clear, and we will follow exactly the same rule in all the cases. You can see here we have 34 times 99. Both are equal in number. There are 2 9s, so you put 2 zeros on 34, and then in the next step subtract 34, and you get the answer, required answer. 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 3 is 6, 4 becomes 3, and that is your answer. Take a look at question number 3. Here multiplicand is less in number, multiplier is more in number. No problem, you can write this multiplicand 24 and then put 3 zeros, as there are 3 9s. There are 3 9s, so you have to put 3 zeros and then subtract 24. So 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 0 is 9, 4 becomes 3 and 2, and that is your answer. Let us take a look at the next question. Here I have taken 6 digits and 4 digits in the multiplier. So just put 4 zeros over here. After writing the multiplicand, put 4 zeros and then subtract the entire multiplicand. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 and 2. Subtraction is pretty easy. Subtract using all from 9 and last from 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3. This becomes 0, so 7 minus 10 minus 7 is 3. This becomes 1, so 11 minus 2 is 9, and this reduces to 3. So, and remaining you can write. So this is your answer. With little practice, trust me, you can do it much faster. While explaining, it does take some time, but when you are doing, it is going to take much less time. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you have liked my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends so that they are also benefited. And we also conduct online classes for different other exams like test prep, SAT, GRE, GMAT, ACT, Olympiad Math, Math Count, MOEMS. We also take Math for all boards and Science for all boards, as well as English also. So if you need to contact me, here is my website, saitutors.in, saitutors.in, and this is my Facebook page also. Like my page, and if you want, you can visit on my website or my page also. You can message me. Thank you very much once again for watching this video. See you in the next video.